Hi there. So I'm delighted and very honoured to be here with Dr. Mark Harriman, who is chairman of the Institute for Functional Medicine, and we're here at the annual international conference for the Institute for Functional Medicine. And Dr. Harriman is also director of the Cleveland Clinic for Functional Medicine. He's a New York Times best-selling author 10 times over. So thank you so much, Dr. Harriman, for making the time for me today. So this conference is all about the brain, and I know a lot of people watching are not going to be familiar with the whole concept of functional medicine. So Dr. Harriman, could you possibly explain what functional medicine is?
Of course, functional medicine is a new way of thinking about disease. It's a new way of understanding the root causes of disease rather than just diagnosing and treating symptoms. So when we go to the doctor, we often get labeled with different names for diseases. Let's say depression, but it might be caused by thyroid or eating gluten, or by prediabetes, or by eating too much tuna and having fish and mercury poisoning. It could be related to B12 deficiency, an acid blocker, it could be even related to antibiotics, which alter your gut flora. So in conventional thinking, we don't have a way to know the roadmap. Functional medicine is that.
Thank you. Now, as I said, this conference this year is all about the brain. So for anyone who is wanting to avoid this, we have a worldwide epidemic, as we know, in Alzheimer's, brain diseases. What can someone do from today? 3 things can you give us, Dr. Harriman, that people can do to reduce their risk of developing these awful brain diseases and just protect their brain well into the future?
It's super simple. It's things that all of us have access to and cost nothing, which is what you eat. Yes, you have to pay for food, but you have to pay for food anyway. And the things that kill the brain are sugar and starch, flour, and all forms of sugar. And the things we need for our brains are good fats, things like olive oil, avocados, coconut oil. Even saturated fats are good for the brain. And the third thing is sleep. Most of us don't realize that sleep is reparative for the brain. It's when the brain cleans out. We discovered a new system in the brain, the lymphatic system in the brain called the lymphatic system, where we clean out our brains every night. So our sleep deprivation epidemic is really driving a lot of symptoms across the board, but this really is a risk for those.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time today, and thank you for watching. I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.